What really happens on Chinese New Year's Eve?
Hello class, Happy Chinese New Year, the year of horse.
For Chinese families, this is the most important night of the year, a night of reunion, blessings, and crossing into a new year together.
Before the New Year's Eve, need to clean it up, right?
Chinese New Year begins with reunion. Before midnight, families return home, clean the house, and gather for the most important meal of the year.
Then have a big meal, the whole family, no matter how far away you're from the home, everybody running to home, just like Christmas Eve here in the States. It's a big together, family together, and you have to make it.
But the night is not over yet.
Then the first one is 守岁 and stay up late until 12 o'clock in the morning or 0 o'clock in the morning. Just cross from the old year to new year.
In ancient China, families would sit together late into the night. Elders told stories, children listened, and the whole family stayed awake to cross into the new year together.
It's a very meaningful tradition. The moment we cross from the old year into the new year is very important. People welcome the new year together.
When midnight arrives, another important tradition begins.
Then the grandpa, grandma, dad and mom and aunts, uncles are going to give New Year's fortune, which is money. That's happening in the New Year's Eve.
The money is placed inside a red envelope. In Chinese culture, it is called hongbao.
And it's put in the red envelope. The kids take the money, they put it under the pillow to suppress the evil spirit.
In ancient China, money was made of copper coins. Copper is a type of metal. People believed metal could drive away evil spirits. So the red envelope was not just money. It was blessing and protection from the older generation.
It's metal has that kind of energy to drive the bad spirit, evil spirit away. The money that carried blessing generations to the young generation.
Another important food on Chinese New Year's Eve is dumplings.
Chinese dumplings are called 饺子. Pronunciation coming from is jiao. Jiao means it's a person standing here, cross two arms and cross two legs, standing like this. That's the basic meaning of this jiao, cross.
At midnight on New Year's Eve, the old year crosses into the new year. So eating dumplings at that moment symbolizes the crossing of time from the old year into the new one.
You have idea why it's called 饺子, because you want to cross it, jiao.
Another traditional food during the New Year festival is
tangyuan.
the word
tangyuan
literally means round balls in soup.
Tangyuan means you want to use water to cook it. You use water to make it. I'm going to show you in a very small clip to show you how they're made up. And this is circle. There's a yuan, circle. Yuan means harmonized, perfect. Everything's just good as you wish. That's yuan. After if this jiao, when we cross and close it up and become a circle, a harmonized, perfect circle.
In Chinese culture, the circle symbolizes reunion and completeness. That is why people eat
tangyuan
during the New Year celebrations.
That's the wish, good wishes.
Chinese New Year traditions are not random customs. They reflect ideas about family, protection, time, and harmony. For thousands of years, these traditions have connected generations together. Behind every tradition, there is a deeper meaning in Chinese culture.
It's a very meaningful tradition. It's very important. Even though we introduced Chinese New Year's, the tradition, and we're going to still focus to the characters, right? Two characters, review them. 爆竹, 爆 means explode.
Join our membership to explore more Chinese wisdom.